BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Bumper cars lost their colors. Bump, bump.
Bumper cars should bump into each other.
I'm the best bumper car. Look at my bumping skills. Let's go!
What happened to our colors?
Oh no, our colors are gone. Uh-oh. Super Mechanic Barry, our colors are gone. Bump, bump. Please don't cry. I'm sure that I can help you. Dear friends, let's repaint the bumper cars. Super Mechanic Barry, will you be able to repaint me yellow? Of course. I got my color yellow back! Who's next? Hi, I'm happy to serve you.
Can I be repainted with the color of the sky?
Of course! The color of sky is blue.
Wow! Oh gosh, I look dashing!
Next! Oh, please help me out. Leave this to me. What color would you like? My favorite color is green. Huh? We don't have the color green. What should I do? Huh? You say we can mix blue and yellow to make the color green? All right, let's try it. Wow, how amazing! I am invincible again! I'm so tired. Next one! Can I be repainted the color red? Bump, bump. Leave that to me. Huh? Oh no! We've run out of it! Oh, I just want red. Bump, bump. Don't worry, we can still do it. Wow! Huh? Where is that red paint again? Let me see. I found it! I got my color back, bump, bump. Don't rush off. We're still going to wax and polish you. Wow! I like the way I look now. The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for all your help. Huh? When did it get so dark?